some special cupcakes last time. I hope you enjoyed this video. Click a like and subscribe. I'm mixing the eggs.
That's right. Okay, so we're getting ready to bake. And as you can see, Bami is already beating the eggs. Keep going, baby. That's wonderful. So we have, we're going to make very healthy banana, nut, oat, and almond flour bread. So we have coconut oil right here. We have banana right here. We have honey. Let's see. We have honey. We have the oat flour. We have some chopped dates. And we have, what is it?
Cinnamon?
Yep, we have cinnamon. All right. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. Oh, we need baking soda and salt. So we're gonna add baking soda and salt. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so we have a mixture of almond meal and some oat flour. And the recipe is 2 cups of almond meal and then half a cup of oat flour. Okay. All right, let's keep mixing. And I'm gonna add some baking powder. I'm gonna add baking powder and baking soda and salt. Okay, so we just added half teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon salt, and now Ibami is gonna add half teaspoon of cinnamon. Drop it, girl. Bam! You got it. Okay, so we have everything, and now we're gonna mix it all up, and then drop in the wet ingredients. Yeah, I'm excited. Okay, so now I'm just mixing all the wet ingredients. Mixing all the wet ingredients together, and then I'm gonna add the dry ingredients later on. This is what it looks like. Here we have bananas and eggs and coconut oil and what else? And honey. Yep. So right now we have everything. And Ibami, we're going to mix there. Wet ingredients. Can you pour it in? There. Good job.
Let's
girlfriend.
mix it.
Yep. Let's mix it.
Let's see how it looks like.
Yes. You wanna start mixing? Good girl. Slowly, take your time. Take your time. Good girl. All right, so we're gonna add. We've decided to add half a teaspoon of cinnamon. So we're gonna have a total of 1 teaspoon. You ready? Yeah. Let's do it. Pour it in there. Good girl. Now let's mix it up. Yay! Then the dates will be the last thing. We're gonna add the dates. Drop it in. Yeah! Awesome.
Let's mix it.
Let's mix it. Okay, so Ibami is meticulously putting everything into the muffin bowls. Oh, that's too full. Okay. You should put it in the next one.
Okay.
That's fine. That's fine. Okay. All right. There. Good job. You're doing awesome. Perfect. Good girl. It's not perfect. It's messy, but that's fine. That's how they learn. Good girl. Next. Okay, now everything is all set and it's now ready to get into the oven. You excited?
Yeah.
Okay, bring it slowly, 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 slowly. I'm gonna help you. Put it in there. Watch your fingers. Perfect. Now I'll take it from here, okay? So you're gonna slide it in. And then...
Is that hot?
Yes, everything is hot. Okay? So when you get to anywhere near the stove, you have to step back, right? And then we're gonna put on our... Alright, there it goes! Woohoo! See you in 30 minutes! Bam! So this is the muffin, fresh out of the oven. We love it! Yeah! Oh my god, this muffin is so good. We have already eaten almost half of it. We love it so much. One of the healthiest. muffins I've ever made.